Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ajay and in this video we are going to learn about typecasting. So what is typecasting? The process of conversion one data type to the another is known as typecasting. There are two types of casting. First one implicit typecasting and second one explicit typecasting. On the screen you can see that the arrow showing that the smaller data type range can be stored inside the bigger range because we are widening it, or we can say that upcasting. So this type of conversion is known as implicit typecasting. Why it is implicit? Because we do not have to tell implicitly, it will done automatically, right? On the other hand, if you want to do reverse of it, the bigger range of data type to store in the smaller data type, we need to narrowing it, means we have to downcasting it. So this downcasting is known as explicit typecasting, because explicitly we have to tell that to do casting. So this is all about implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting. Let's see in the practical implementation. Let's take a variable a of type byte and we have assigning the value 12, and now take another variable type int. If you want to store that value of type byte inside a int, so we don't need to specify anything. Let's print this value of I and see the output. So here we can't do anything. It's because this byte, this shorter range of value we are storing inside the bigger range, so it will done implicitly, automatically it will done. In case you have to do reverse of it, let's change this into int and this variable into a byte. So it is showing error because we have to explicitly tell that to change that bigger range into a smaller range, to typecast it explicitly, because bigger range of value we are storing inside this smaller range. So here we are saying that store into a byte type, so here we explicitly tell that byte. Now if we run, it will give proper output. Let's take here 257 because byte have the range 256. So here we have taken that is bigger than the byte range. So here behind the scene it will do the calculation, that is 257 mod 256 and the result is 1. So this one value will be stored inside the byte data types. So let's check it by running the code. See, we have got 1 as output. So let's play with the decimal point. I am taking double and we are assigning the value. And this double value we are assigning to this int value. So we have to explicitly tell that this store inside the int. And here we are losing the data because we are storing double value, that is decimal point, inside the integer value, and the values after decimal point will be lost. Let's see. See, we are getting only 100 here. So after decimal value we have lost the data. So that's it about today's video, and I will be see you in the next video.